As you know, Bitget hosts competition and sign-up event for celebrating Diwali the best way possible, but there is more to it, as in this video I will fully explain all Diwali event from Bitget that can make you big money. Get ready for an unforgettable Diwali celebration with Bitget, where the spirit of joy and wealth comes alive. Our Diwali extravaganza is here, and it's your ticket to unlocking crypto riches like never before. Ready to add even more special touches to this Diwali? The Diwali festival is coming to Bitget, and we have amazing possibilities for all users through all campaign Bitget is making running from October 30th to November 16th. For your info, only South Asian especially India region are able to participate in this campaign. So what are the events? Here are the lineup of Bitget Diwali 2023 events. Campaign 1, Diwali Dhamaka Trading Competition. This campaign is for all of you who has sharp skills on doing technical analysis. Bitget presents you trading competition with over 40k USDT as a prize pool. Totally a juicy one. So let's compete and win big with Bitget Trading Competition. Campaign 2, Diwali Festival Delight, New User and Referral Rewards. This second campaign involves new users who recently signed up on Bitget, as you can claim a portion of $5 trading to kickstart your journey on cryptocurrency trading, so let's sign up with Bitget and trade with your trading bonus. Additionally, you can also refer your friend to sign up and get even extra trading bonus. Campaign 3, Diwali Newcomers Event. Newcomers of Bitget can now claim some hot tokens from Bitget, claim yours and trade on Bitget. Also increase chances by trading on Bitget. Campaign 4, Diwali Check-in Event. This event brings you daily prizes during Diwali. Do sign in and check in every day to claim many bonuses from Bitget. Even hot tokens. Don't miss your chance to shine during Diwali with Bitget. Join us in this grand celebration and turn your crypto dreams into reality. Get ready to light up your world with Bitget's Diwali extravaganza. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more.